Welcome back
to episode 3 of Slime Rancher.
Slime Rancher. So I've got to apologize. We're probably going to go through on part 2 and edit like the last minute out. Maybe I jumped the gun a little bit, so there could be some missed content. Or at least some misclipping audio. We shall see. Speaking of audio, what's going on, Fox?
We have to have the stuff plugged in. That's what.
Okay. So we will worry about that later. In the meantime,
let's get back. So we got our honeys back to the ranch.
Yep. We got them in with their tatties. Hold on. No, we don't need to do this because I was smart. A little bit. So,
now what are you going to do with the puddles?
No subject. Moochie Miles. Oh, that's the letter telling us that we're getting a request from her. That's great.
You have a honey slime. Yeah.
Well, you flew! Probably because you beat before it into existence on top of the Largo.
No, it's because you have too many in there. With no net.
That's not possible. 420.
Go pick up plorts out of your rock one. I should be able to put the net on there. You need to be closer.
I need to be closer?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh. Oh, the little lines weren't actually moving. That was too far. Whoops. Stop trying to escape.
But it's so much fun to escape.
Nope. Stay put.
Oh my god, this is so much fun! This is not the hunters where they can eat you.
Yeah, that's why hunters
Oh, you know, we took it to my boxes. I forgot about those. Toys!
It's so cute.
Toys are so much fun.
It's so derpy and cute. Especially Puddles and that little rubby pick.
You might be able to buy a self-upgrade.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting the storage.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Tank booster. And I've still got 130. Yes, next will be the water tank. Because it's better than that. That is seriously useless. You should get one or the other. Because one you can shoot a wave.
Pick up your fruit and vegetables.
One you can shoot a pulse wave that says out. Push slimes away, whereas the other one shoots water at them. Well, once you're far enough, the only thing to worry about is the tartars, which will die from water. So, in my opinion, it's just easier to actually have the water tank. What was that?
It was still trying to export just the sound.
So there is an issue with the video rendering. I thought okay.
That's what I was saying. That has to get plugged into it.
Okay. That's
So what we'll do later is
what we'll do later is
plug everything back in, and then
I get what you're saying. Load of my day. bad. I will take that. There he is. Gotcha. What are you, Stony?
Stony.
It says not to. Right, it says not to.
Hey, I've got a key. For just in case. There's nothing else in here, right?
Just that box.
Okay.
Oh. And that's a...
Pogo fruit and regular chicken.
620.
Or a hen. Hen.
10-10? 10-10.
We're not talking about Naruto here.
Are you sure Tintin? What?
My brain just went to the whole, the dino trucks and you not realizing that not was ton backwards.
You know what? Enjoy.
It's 36 George Drive.
Go away, stupid house symbol. I know where my house is. I only died one time.
For now.
Shush. If you do it like 3 times in a row, the game actually gets mad at you and puts that out there. It should not be on.
That's why I was surprised. I'm like,
What?
I didn't see it in the settings, so it's just gonna be stuck up there.
What?
The house symbol.
Oh.
I mean, yeah, it technically helps, but at the same time, it's a little annoying.
Oh, see, and I never thought it was annoying. I thought it was very helpful.
I see it as cheaty.
I don't think this was meant to be an adult game, so
Which is why there's not a hardcore mode.
just challenges.
I have 2 things I can do nothing with. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, that's fun. That was fun. Heartbeats. Oh, it actually says what likes it. Favored by none.
Carrots are just a freebie.
So are pogo fruit. And headbands. Yep. Nobody likes headbands. So, let's see here. Do I have any regular headbands?
I see it there. That's the last one that I can
Yeah.
I think, yeah, you should suck up some of the screws and put them away. You can feed the rest to the giant cat.
Minus roosters. Roosters are always welcome. Especially when we meet Bob. But chicken?
Chicken. So what are we gonna unlock next?
Right, it's like, okay.
Well, I think the forest has 2 of them, doesn't it?
Oh, I do not remember.
Let's see here. That button.
You don't have the forest unlocked it if you found the map piece.
That's the easy part. If I remember correctly. Whee! Oh, this is about to become Tartar Central over here, man. Can you explode him, indeed?
Not you. This game is so peaceful to listen to.
Even the angry parts.
Yes, even the angry parts.
It's very cartoony, like apple bite.
Yes, it really is. I'll agree there. It is a very cartoony apple bite.
Oh yeah, you were. I don't think you were watching earlier, but how I got back was through a portal.
Okay. Whee. So I know there's a door to your right, if that's what you're talking about.
Ooh, do you want to go that way?
That leads to the...
Yeah, do you want to go that way?
Sure.
That,
We still gotta unlock everywhere else to even get through there.
technically. Open sesame.
This place is beautiful.
It really is. So let's get this over and done with. Welcome to the Great Gate. You have to be able to find specific plorts from all across the world.
To get through this gate, and it is so worth it. It is so worth all the work.
Yeah, so let's see here. I think that's honey or boom, rad, crystal, rock. No, I think that's actually phosphor. Mosaic, and great. I cannot remember. I can remember by looking at the podium that they correspond with, though. So there is a statue for each slime.
That's rock
Yep, that one's rock.
or crystal.
How short the spikes are, it looks like rock. It's also got blue eyes. That's Brad. You can tell Brad eye is green. Honey, because the faceplate.
So anybody that thinks to guess the closest one to it, I'm shitting.
Can anyone guess? Tabby. Tabby, that's what the white one is.
Right. Well, I mean, and I do work in food.
I think I need to be able to go up there. Oh, here it is. Boom. That is definitely boom.
No, you're a two-time cancer survivor. Your butt's staying home. Fine.
Phosphor. That's what it is.
Phosphor.
So this was not planned. Like all of a sudden, I'm like, are you serious? I'm not
Oh.
looking around in the dock. I'm not going.
I went the wrong way. That one's the one that comes in from the quarry.
Okay.
This is the one from the forest, right?
Yep.
Right. Like, what do I do now? How am I gonna pay my bills? And all
So
this?
technically, if you do it right, this is all that you need. And it gives you the pink one already, so that's
She goes, go ahead and file.
that part's easy.
Boom.
Can you eat? Oh, you're a pink one, so you will eat anything. And you're a phosphor, so you will eat the fruit. Okay, you guys can stew for a minute, because I'm going to. Oh, what kind of plort was that?
I have hair and blue eyes.
Give
I'm
me
white,
boom.
I'm as white as white and white as
Were you trying to create a...
No, I was not trying to create a A tartar.
Ah, you're trying to put the pieces together.
As many as I can. Oh, wait, no, that's right. The brads are in the quarry, so you at least have to... You at least have to do one of the 2 quarry gates. I was just looking at the boom. Do I have brain cells?
I get into enough trouble on my
Boom.
own. I don't need it.
Go speed racer. Go speed racer.
Right? You're like, okay, I'm climbing mom. It's gonna work. You'll be fine.
And Tabby was this way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, great, they're arguing again.
Okay, because I got put off last week. So I count last week, or does it need to be the beginning of this week?
Ooh, we got to sing that time.
I thought we did before. I could have sworn I heard it.
Maybe I just spaced.
Houston, we have a problem.
Space Cadet on board.
I'm stuck on something.
I am the spaciest Space Cadet.
No, I don't need a stone chickadee. I need a stone chickie.
Okay.
This way. This way. You. Stop your belts. Stop it. You're actually about to eat him. He got spooked for his life.
Something exploded.
Yeah, the boom. I just wasn't all that close. See here in phosphor. Oh, that's what the other one is.
That's a honey.
Oh, it is? Oh. From behind it looked like it tangled.
So you gotta get in there to get that one.
Yeah. Tunk. Did you get it that time too?
Yes.
Okay, so then yeah.
I just Space Cadeted out.
So let's see here. Rock, Brad, honey.
So living and working in Michigan, this is the first time I've worked in another state, so I forget. I do, I forget. Like, okay, it's only a 25-minute drive. Right. Well, where I go? I work in Ohio. And I work all over
I saw that. Oh. Let's see. Something blue. Oh, it's just one of those. Just one of those mushrooms.
Yarn ball.
Go play. Bad cat. You're supposed to go play. It doesn't appreciate my break in the physics. I can't even see over there through these trees. trying to see if the map piece was over there. Onward to the honey. I can't get a honey if you guys ate all the damn fruit. Oh, I guess I can. Yes. Nope. You can have that one.
Eat your own poop!
I mean, it does say they'll eat anything.
I don't think that's quite what it means.
It is absolutely what it means. For a second there, I thought it dropped another box. I was like, cool, I got a box in a box. What a paradox.
Box with a box?
Is that hard to watch me play sometimes? I swear. How quick I just run through everything.
I mean, I don't think so.
What about you guys? What do you think? Leave your comments down below. Let's see here. So then there's rock, rad, and that's it, right?
I don't know.
I should have looked before walking away. Alright.
But I think we should head back so we can do the next quest.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Are we portaling back?
Yeah. I don't have a jetpack yet. Right? I think I
Yeah,
do.
no, you don't have a jetpack yet. The upgrade you bought was for your slots,
Right, so I can hold more stuff.
which is also very important.
I thought you were actual honey plort. I didn't realize you were a honey.
Lime, slime.
Yeah, I didn't realize that was a slime. Yeah, you guys can enjoy the hell out of those carrots. I was gonna say, how did I get back there the first time? Jeez.
A one-way portal.
I did. I was worried I was about to get lost. I've got spectacular aim.
Trying to figure out which area to unlock first. Like, which one's more invaluable? The cave, the plains, or the science area?
The science area is 10,000, so one way or the other, it's gonna be a hot minute.
Pick up and sell plorts. Are you gonna go read your mail?
Just gonna get the notification to go away. After this, I should have enough to be able to afford this upgrade for them too. Yay, lag spike.
That happens. I think it happens in like any game though.
Some sort, yeah. Oh. Or honey tabs. Yeah, you guys are honey tabs. Wrong corner. I've got brain cells, yes I do. I've got brain cells, how about you? There we go.
Don't have enough. But you have enough for a new upgrade.
For first upgrade, yeah. Yeah, because he gives you the stuff to where you basically make like 5 times as much food, because you get the little planter over here and over here, and the food that the soil that makes it basically stay for 3 days. Or the science, so then you can actually make some of your base automatic to a particular degree.
They're meowing, it is so adorable.
It's a mush party.
The adorableness man.
Well, I think we're just at max capacity.
They're so cute.
Even when they're the grumpers.
Personal upgrade, here we come.
Upgrades. Upgrades for days. Incinerator water tank. Jet fleets.
There's not enough of them still.
And I just fed them all the fruit, so
They can wait.
the ones that can really wait are the pinks, because I think I'm just at the point where they're at the lowest possible value. Yeah. I'm shooting you in the face. Enjoy. And quest. I need these plorts post haste, whatever that means. 2 boom, 1 honey. That's easy.
7 pink. Just go collect your dang pink ones.
Oh, I didn't even have to push it. If you're not careful, yes, the game does get repetitive and boring. However, if you do it right, it doesn't, and it's a lot of fun all the way around.
Did we happen to have any honeys left over?
Not at the moment, but it looks like some of them ate. I was dog-wild.
You were kitten pie.
That's all I needed, right?
Thought it was 2. Nope.
1 honey, 2 boom. That's easy enough.
Back to the forest.
Eat my chicken.
Well, you can pick up water now.
Oh yeah. So either you can actually do it from the blue sea, and according to the game lore, it's a giant blue slime. Or you can get it from these little vents. Also later in the science department, you can actually make a water container that will pull out water from the ground and place that in particular areas throughout the world. Okay, well, I should do this fast before I get too hungry. Eat up all those freshly spawned chickens. Oh god, they're already in the middle of it.
They already ate them.
You bastards.
There's a box up there, though.
There was? Yep. Hurt you, chickens! Okay. I've I've got what, 7 roosters? Left?
Yeah, you got enough right now.
Of starvation. Oh, cool. Berry, tabby plort.
We don't need more tabbies.
We do? Okay.
No, we don't.
I heard we do.
Oh
Well then. Isn't that a fine how do you do?
I thought you were gonna be stuck in there.
No, that's not a one-way. So, yeah, I guess you guys can go for a while. I'm trying to remember where one of the other...
But right now we need boom plorts.
Need boom? Oh, right, yep, boom. I was thinking of another Gordo, but you were like... Boom!
And there's 2 Gordos in the forest.
Whoosh!
Maybe 3.
Yeah, there's the hunter one, which is invisible unless you're looking dead at him.
Right, as the honey one, and I can't remember if there's another one in there.
There might be. I think there's the boom.
Is that one in here?
Maybe.
That was a hunter. Might want to drop your rooster.
I could feed him off to something. Maybe. Eat.
Boom plort. Nope, that was a boom. Ooh.
Eat again. Oh! So you could break me, gang. I've broken you. Oh yeah, I've got a jetpack now.
Yes, you do. Which I believe the map is above you.
I think over in that little corner there's Largo. Or Gordo.
That was useless.
Right outside of the money. So close. It looked like there was something up there. Am I the only one?
Yes. I mean, they might have seen something, but...
No, just a rock. Whee! And I'm fast as fuck.
Maybe when we actually complete the game, we'll start doing some of the challenges.
What do you mean challenges?
The, like, 3-day dash or 5-day dash, see how far you can get, and...
Oh.
The actual challenges built into the game.
I didn't know that there was, like, anything like that. Like the actual dashes. There's 16 minutes to spare. Briar.
Feed him to the hunters. Or the honeys.
That's what I had before. I had honey hunters.
I mean, you still can. Just feed them and get their plurts and then get rid of them.
Do you have enough for another corral? You can chill out there for a while.
Do you have a chicken to make him happy?
1,700. 1,800. I'll just put it that way. It's 5 short. Well, I can understand him. 3, but 5 you guys. I'm standing on top of one. Yep. And actually, if I remember correctly,
It's the briars.
hunters.
Mmm. Carrots, feed them to the pinks.
Enjoy your marvelous bounty. $500.
Mm-hmm. Sleep till morning?
Sure.
And then plort collect and...
Onward and upward to the next one.
You just made a Kit Kat very happy.
Did it? Yeah.
Yes.
Very busy.
They always are. Sounded like some hit the ground. Oh, okay. Do you want me to look up where the next Gordo is?
Oh yeah, so I grabbed the mint mangoes in the last episode and this episode because mint mangoes are loved by honey. Usually it goes hand in hand where you find the fruit and you find where is usually what like
have these like stone hens. You can get them roughly the same area. The rocks, like the heartbeats, and you can get them roughly in the same area.
There is a honey slime in the mossy blanket.
I just got the gold one to pop up, and it looked like the pink slime ate him.
Yeah, the only two that are in the mossy blanket are the honey slime and the hunter slime.
Okay. Are you on the Lucia?
The fandom, whatever it's called.
But it's powered by Lucia. Episode's longer than our other 7 episodes.
There was a money cat.
I hear it too. Damn it.
Missed it. Darn, I'm sorry.
No, your fault. I didn't really have anything to feed it.
I mean, you have a roosteroo. Yes. I hear it again.
No. There's your brother. I thought there was a chest over here. Let's see here. So you're saying that there's honey?
Mm-hmm.
Is he over in this direction?
Yes, you're heading straight for him.
Oh, right. Oh, the corporation's resident. I get more please. There he is, adorable chubby innocent. I am not letting my thing well, that doesn't say something secret.
Yeah, it's the Hunter Grotto.
Yeah, where the hunters are most common.
Outside of going back home, I'm not doing that again. Yay, another letter.
Have you ever been in love, Beatrix? Makes you feel all itchy and achy inside. Like a day after your soul's been at the gym. That's the best way I can describe it anyway.
It also regales you.
It also
Realigns.
realigns your thinking to something you swear you
Is downright alien.
it's downright alien. All those things you thought really mattered suddenly don't. Changes you entirely. Can't recommend it though.
H.
H.
Gives you some derps.
Derp, derp. Alright, it's time to call it an episode.
What? Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
It totally hasn't been an extra 13 minutes than our last one.
See you guys in the next video. Bye!